Have you ever looked at your crypto portfolio and wondered, what's next? Shiba Inu, the token that started as a meme, is showing signs of waking up. It's like a sleeping giant, and you can almost feel the ground starting to tremble. People are asking if this is the moment it reminds everyone why it captured the world's attention. The whispers are getting louder, and the developments are getting bigger. Here at Shiba Insights, we filter out the noise to bring you what really matters. Right now what matters is the story unfolding within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's no longer just about a cute dog on a coin, it's about building something real. Think of it like a startup that suddenly gets a massive round of funding. It has the resources, the team, and now it's building its headquarters, products, and partnerships. So, what are these big moves? Major partnerships, new listings on huge exchanges, and the march toward a fully functional ecosystem. We're going to break it all down, piece by piece, in a way that makes sense. This isn't just another crypto story, it's a lesson in evolution. Whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just getting started, the story of Shiba Inu's next chapter is one you won't want to miss. The journey starts now, and we're glad to have you with us. When most people hear Shiba Inu, they think of the token, the Shib coin itself. But beneath the surface, there's a whole ecosystem being built. The developers are actively creating a suite of interconnected projects. This includes ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange, and the upcoming Shibarium, a Layer 2 solution. Shibarium is designed to make transactions faster and cheaper, a huge deal for any crypto project. Imagine you own a popular coffee shop. You start with coffee, then add pastries, sandwiches, and open a second location. That's what the Shiba Inu team is doing. They started with the token, then built ShibaSwap, and are now working on Shibarium. Each new addition makes the whole business more valuable and useful. This strategy is about creating a self-sustaining world for Shiba holders. One of the most important pieces is the Bone token, the governance token of the ecosystem. Holding Bone is like having voting shares in a company. Then, there's Leash, a store of value within the ecosystem, often granting holders exclusive perks. These different tokens work together, creating a more complex and robust financial environment. Shiba Inu is expanding its menu and building a better store. It's moving from being a single product to a full-fledged brand with multiple offerings. This diversification is key, spreading risk and creating multiple avenues for growth and utility. Now, let's talk about the metaverse, a massive, shared virtual world. Shiba Inu is making one of its boldest moves by building its own metaverse. The team has partnered with the Third Floor, a top-tier visualization studio. Bringing them on board is like hiring the world's best architect to design your dream house. It shows that the Shiba Inu team is investing in quality. The plan is to create a vibrant digital world with plots of virtual land. These plots can be bought and sold, just like real estate. The economy will be powered by the ecosystem's tokens, giving them a whole new layer of utility. This move into the metaverse is incredibly strategic, tapping into a growing trend. By creating their own digital frontier, Shiba Inu is ensuring it remains relevant for years to come. Shiba Inu is positioning itself to be a key player in the future, building a digital home for its millions of supporters. In cryptocurrency, getting listed on a major exchange is a huge milestone. When a token like Shiba Inu gets listed on a new exchange, it opens the door for a massive new pool of potential buyers. Recently, Shiba Inu has seen a wave of new listings, particularly on major exchanges in Asia. This is significant as markets like South Korea and Japan have a huge appetite for crypto. Getting listed on a top-tier Korean exchange requires meeting high standards of security and transparency. This exchange effect boosts liquidity, making it easier to buy or sell without affecting the price too much. More exchanges mean more buyers and sellers, leading to a healthier market for Shib. These listings build trust and legitimacy, chipping away at the meme coin label. For Shib holders, it means their asset is becoming more established. It's a sign of progress, a step towards mainstream adoption. The world's biggest players are starting to take Shiba Inu very seriously. Now for the billion token question. What's happening with the price? Recently the price of Shib has been like a coiled spring, with periods of consolidation followed by bursts of volatility. Analysts look at technical indicators to gauge market sentiment. They look at trading volume and support and resistance levels. Right now, many analysts are watching to see if Shib can break through its next major resistance level. But price isn't just about charts, It's influenced by news and developments within the ecosystem. Positive news can create bullish sentiment, meaning people feel optimistic and are more likely to buy. The fundamentals of the project, like the technology it's building, drive sustainable growth. Some analysts believe that if the Shiba Inu team continues to deliver, the token could see significant positive momentum. The key takeaway is to focus on the project's development. You can't talk about Shiba Inu without talking about its community, the Shib Army. This isn't just a group of investors, it's a global movement. The Shib Army is one of the most passionate and vocal communities in all of crypto. The lead developer, Shytoshi Kusama, plays a huge role in keeping this community engaged. Through regular updates, Shytoshi provides a direct line of communication from the development team to the army. These updates are crucial for maintaining transparency and managing expectations. The community's reaction to news is immediate and powerful. The developers have the task of navigating high expectations while working on complex technology. This dynamic between the developers and the community is what makes Shiba Inu unique. While the developers build the technology, the community builds the culture and drives the narrative. It's this powerful combination that has carried Shiba Inu this far and will be essential for its future success. So, where does all of this leave us? We stand at a fascinating crossroads in the Shiba Inu story. The project is evolving from a simple meme coin into a complex, multifaceted ecosystem. The question is no longer if Shiba Inu is building, but how these new creations will reshape its identity. The most anticipated milestone is the full public launch of Shibarium. A successful launch could unlock a new era of utility for the entire ecosystem. As we look toward the future, the narrative will shift from hype to adoption. The next chapter will be defined by real-world utility and the vibrant economy that grows within the world the developers are creating. The story of Shiba Inu is far from over. In many ways, it's just beginning. It's a grand experiment in community-driven finance and digital world building. Staying informed will be more important than ever. We invite you to stay curious and join us as we watch this incredible story continue to unfold.